I'm Elizabeth Lauten, physical therapist with Albany Sport and Spine Physical Therapy. We're going to go over an exercise to mobilize and stretch your hip. So you need to have a thick fitness band that's pretty strong, and you can anchor it to something stable. So I'm going to anchor that, and then I'm going to put a pad down to protect my knee because I don't want to be pushing my knee into a hard surface. I'm going to wrap this around my hip. I'm getting it as close to the hip as I can, so pretty high up on my thigh. I'm going to kind of pull myself out with some pretty good tension on the band. And then, so the band is pulling laterally, so it's pulling that way. I'm going to rock forward and back. And it's stretching out my hip, giving it some nice lateral distraction while I go through this movement of rocking forward and back.